right, for this one, we're going to model 12 times 13 using base 10 blocks. And again, we're going to be using the area model here. So what this is really is the length of 12. This is a 10 plus a 2 using virtual manipulatives. And you kind of put them in the corner here. What's missing here, and it used to have this Pad website's amazing, but it used to have this little multiplication T-chart thingy. I think it's called a factor T-chart or something like that. But this is what I would do just to kind of make it, hey, these are my dimensions. And what I have here is it's a rectangle. That's 12 by 13. So what I tell the students to do whenever I do my interventions and things like that is you can kind of fill it in here because I like working with virtual manipulatives. This is the area of the rectangle, right? 12 by 13. And so here I can kind of have them shaded with for example, a highlighter kind of thing and say, this is going to be my area. All this thing here is my area. And they start teaching area of a region in second grade. So they kind of sort of know what this is. And I know I'm a little sloppy with it, but the whole point is this is like, this is what we put here. And let's put this back to its color here. All right. Now we start using the distributive property. What is 10 times 10? 100, right? What is 10 times 3? Or you go, what's 10 times 1 times 1 times 1 and so on. So you get your 30. And see right here, it's so easy to manipulate with the virtual manipulatives. And again, I've been watching the little videos I'm making. I had a parent, make a statement, this is like math for dummies. And I kind of had to respond to him. I said, sir, is it dumb? Because we're getting the right answer every time. He's like, yeah. I said, well, it's not math for dummies. It's just another way to multiply. This is a different way of doing it. And not different. It's been around forever. But it's just maybe new for us, right? So there it is. There's the area of my rectangle. And I love using virtual manipulatives because, you can do things like right over everything here. It's 100. That's 30. That's 20. That's 6. Depends how you want to work it out. You can say, hey, I got 100. I got 50, right? And then plus that's 6. So you got 156. So this is what you call a virtual, right? Representation of a concrete model. So this is kind of concrete and pictorial at the same time. So over here, then we would just go completely, we can go pictorial first and have our students draw it and draw that little part here first so they can kind of see that they're going to be kind of filling this guy in. And you put the times here, and outside goes your sketching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's your 10. And plus your 2 more. And that's why I have the grid paper being modeled here. That was horrible. I'm going to fix that. Then here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you're watching this video and you're going, so I've seen this before, maybe in a state test. Yes. They test it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Missed. Went over 1 too many. It look like it's still too long there. And if you make an error, just erase it and you'll be good to go. And there's my 3. And this thing about you doing pictorial model is you just literally finish your picture. You just kind of go down this way, and just follow down. Oops. I'm a professional artist. Don't try this at home. Joking. Okay, so here we go. That's 100. These are all 10s, which means it's 30. That's a 10. That's a 10, which means that's 20. And these are my 1s, which is, again, there's going to be 6. And so you get the answer 156 all over again. That's your pictorial process. And then your abstract will look something like this. This will be here 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3, and then 10 times 10 is 100, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 2 is 20, and we got our 6 right here, and then again we're going to get the same answer of 156. And that's it. So from concrete, pictorial, abstract. You can come out here and make sure the kids kind of see that this is your product, right? Ta-da! And there it is. All right. Hope this video helps.